Are you planning to give up your job or starting a new career as a data engineer or a data scientist? Data engineer and data scientist jobs are in great demand for 2020. Are you willing to make that move? If yes, then it's time for a change. Welcome to Weka for data mining and machine learning for beginners. This introductory course will demonstrate machine learning and data mining in an easy way using Weka. In this course, we will start with downloading and installing Weka. Then you will be familiar with Weka data file formats. You will get to know what an attribute is, instance, preprocess, and classifiers. And then we will move to Weka's package manager where you can install and uninstall classifiers. In this course, you will be learning data mining and machine learning by conducting your own experiments, comparing different algorithms till you build your next predictive machine learning model. Not convinced yet? This course is made very easy, no coding experience needed. I made this course free to encourage beginners to think about a career in data science, data mining, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. These fields are challenging and have exciting projects. I'm glad to tell you that this course is optimized for mobile devices, so you can watch it on your smartphone and it will take you less than 60 minutes. You have absolutely nothing to lose, so what are you waiting for to take yourself to the next level?